Hey everyone, today we're talking about something super exciting. The Philippine Lotto. We all dream of winning big, right? I know I do. Ever wondered if there's a way to make those dreams come true? Well, there's no magic trick, but there are definitely ways to play smarter. So, if you're ready to become a Lotto winner, keep watching. We're going to talk about some helpful tips that might help you win. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next big winner. Ready? Let's go. Let's get started. Okay everyone, first things first, we have to talk about the chances of winning. You see, the lottery is a game of numbers, and understanding these numbers can make a huge difference in how you approach it. I know, math isn't everyone's favorite, but trust me, this is important. Math can seem daunting, but when you break it down, it's just a way to understand the world around us. And in this case, it helps us understand our chances. So, the chances of winning the jackpot in lotto games like 6 over 42, 6 over 45, 6 over 49, or 6 over 58 are really small. To put it in perspective, the odds of winning the 6 over 42 lotto are about 1 in 5 million. For 6 over 49, it's even slimmer, around 1 in 14 million, like really small. Imagine trying to find a single specific grain of sand on a vast beach. That's how small your chances are. But hey, someone has to win, right? And that's the allure of the lottery, the dream that maybe, just maybe, you could be that one lucky person. Knowing the chances helps you be realistic. It's not about discouraging you from playing, but about playing smart. Understanding the odds means you can make informed decisions. Don't spend all your money on lotto tickets thinking you'll be a millionaire tomorrow. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but it's important to set limits and play responsibly. Think of it like this. It's like finding your best friend. It takes time, patience, and a bit of luck. You wouldn't rush into a friendship expecting it to be perfect from day one, right? It's hard to find one, but when you do, it's amazing. The same goes for winning the lottery. It's rare, but when it happens, it's life-changing. So, play smart, don't spend too much, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next millionaire. Remember, the key is to enjoy the game, not to rely on it. After all, life itself is full of surprises and opportunities. Alright everyone, let's talk about using the same numbers every time. It's a strategy that many people swear by when it comes to playing the lottery. You know how some people have their lucky numbers? These numbers often hold a special significance in their lives, like their birthday, their anniversary, or even their pet's birthday. These dates are more than just numbers, they carry memories and emotions. While some lotto players use the same numbers every time, they believe that these numbers are their lucky charm. They think that doing this will help them win eventually. It's like a ritual, a small act of faith that keeps their hopes alive. Now, I'm not saying it will definitely make you win, but hey, it worked for some people, right? There are stories of people who hit the jackpot using their special numbers. Remember that guy who won the lottery twice? It's a rare occurrence, but it does happen. He used the same numbers both times. Imagine the joy and disbelief he must have felt. So if you have some special numbers, stick with them. It might just be your ticket to a life-changing moment. Who knows, maybe one day those numbers will change your life. After all, the lottery is a game of chance, and sometimes consistency can be a key part of that chance. Alright everyone, have you ever heard of a lotto group? It's an exciting way to increase your chances of winning the lottery by pooling resources with others. It's like a group project, but for lotto. Imagine the thrill of working together with your friends, family, or co-workers towards a common goal. Basically, you put your money together with your friends, family, or co-workers, and buy more tickets together. This collective effort means you can afford to buy more tickets than you would on your own. This way, you have more chances of winning. The more tickets you have, the better your odds. It's simple math, but it can make a huge difference. Of course, if you win, you have to share the prize. But think about it, sharing the joy of winning with your close ones can be even more rewarding. But hey, sharing is good, right? It strengthens bonds and creates unforgettable memories. Plus, a smaller share of a big prize is still a significant amount. Imagine winning the jackpot with your best friends, the excitement, the celebrations, and the dreams that can finally come true. You can finally go on that trip to Boracay, buy that dream house, or even take that long-awaited vacation with your loved ones. Or even start your own business together. The possibilities are endless when you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions. So get your friends together and start planning your lotto group. It's not just about the money, it's about the journey and the shared experiences. Who knows, maybe this is your ticket to a better future. With a little luck and a lot of teamwork, anything is possible. Okay, everyone, let's talk about lotto myths. There are so many stories out there about how to win the lottery. Some people believe in lucky numbers, patterns, or even using the stars. But let me tell you, most of these are just made-up stories. The truth is, every number combination has the same chance of winning, so don't believe those lucky charms or tricks. Just choose your numbers and hope for the best. Everyone, this is super important. The lottery can be exciting, I know, but always remember to play responsibly. Don't spend all your money on lotto tickets. Decide how much you can spend and don't spend more than that. Think of it like going to the movies or eating out. Remember, winning is just an extra bonus. The most important thing is to have fun. Okay everyone, last tip. This one's about making playing the lotto more fun. Instead of just picking random numbers, why not use numbers that are special to you, like your birthday, your anniversary, or even your lucky number? It won't make you win more, but it makes your ticket more special. And if you do win, it makes winning even better. So go ahead and use your special numbers. Who knows, maybe those special dates or lucky charms will bring you good luck. And that's all for our lotto tips. Remember, the lotto is a game of chance. There's no sure way to win, but playing smart can help. So, keep these tips in mind, play responsibly, and most importantly, have fun. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next big winner. And if you do win, don't tell everyone. Keep your ticket safe. And talk to a lawyer or someone who knows about money before you get your prize. Stay safe and good luck.